We're here today with David Flanagan, Managing Director of Battery Minerals. David, thanks for your time.
No, it's great to be here.
2 years into the job, what attracted you to the company in the first place?
Wow, like the energy space in the world is remarkable. So the opportunity to apply technology to deliver new storage solutions is intoxicating. The opportunity to do it in a place like Mozambique, where you can really have high impact, and the opportunity to make money for shareholders is just amazing. So those things, I could see them initially, and I saw this wonderful deposit with that opportunity, and it's all still there, and it's just wonderful.
You've been able to achieve some very significant milestones in the last 12 months.
Look, we think so. It hasn't been reflected in the share price. That's what makes us such a bargain. But basically, we've gone out, we've got a port allocation, we've got offtake agreements, we've got all of our approvals in place. We've recruited a team, we've built a tailings dam, we built a village, we've done roads, we bought a crusher, we built a plant site, and we reckon we've been pretty busy. And we think that sets us apart. We've got graphite that's as good as any graphite anywhere, and we've narrowed our focus to actually starting a mine, producing quality concentrate and selling that. Now, over time, we will participate more in the downstream, but we'll do that with partners. Right now, our shareholders want us to start a mine and make money for them.
And looking forward, what does the next 6 to 12 months look like for shareholders?
Yeah, thanks. So we've now got a data room open. There's 12 banks that have been in there looking at the financing process. We've got term sheets that we've been exchanging with 4 of those groups. So we will sign up someone with a cornerstone senior secured debt position, and then there'll be other sort of financial products attached to that. And collectively that will finance the balance of what we need to finish the project. And we hope to get on the ground soon after the wet season and finish the project and then start exporting 15 months later.
What sets this project apart on a global scale?
Yeah, so Mozambique has a few things that are really quite amazing. One of them is it has a geological formation which in that part of the world provides current resources for half of the world's graphite. Okay? Now you can't make a battery without graphite. Now because Africa is largely undeveloped, no one's been in there and discovered these deposits before. And ours is a typical super high grade deposit. It's super large. It'll make $25 million a year EBITDA from stage 1 with a current life of 80 years. So these are substantive projects. If it was a gold business, it'd be north of 5 million ounces of reserves. Okay, so these are substantive projects. We've got a government that says, come on down. We really want development. We really want jobs for our people. Now, it's not a low taxing jurisdiction, but one of the reasons why it's such a great place to invest is that the people are getting a fair cop. They're getting a fair share. And because they know they're getting a fair share, they're open for business, and we love being there.
Passionate about the company, what would be the 2 or 3 things you want to leave shareholders with about why invest in battery?
Well, our cash costs are sub $400 and we're selling it for $1,000. So we're at the bottom of the cost curve. We'll probably make money in any market moving forward for graphite, okay? And we've got opportunities to cut costs more. I've lived in that world before. If we needed to get our costs below 300, we can, okay? And it'll cost us some of that mine life, but at the moment there's lots of value in having a large resource that we can scale from 50,000 tonnes to 200. So our capex is only 40 million US. So we only need to spend $40 million on the ground US. Now we need some working capital as well, and that's highly competitive. And we've got a port allocation, offtake agreements, we've done all those things on the ground. And I think that we've got an advantage on time on our peers. So I reckon that's the takeaway. They should see that as real value.
David, as always, passionate about the company, focused on getting a delivery for shareholders and the local community. Thanks for your time.
Cheers, thanks, Dave.